Have you ever DM'd or commented the word info on an influencer's Instagram post and they instantly reply back with the information? Well, that's automation. That's not them replying. And I'm going to show you today in this video how it's printing these people a ton of money and how you can do it too with simple automations like using Flex Connect, Go High Level. There's ManyChat, there's a few, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how we do it off of Flex Connect powered by Go High Level. Let's break it down right now, guys. I'm going to show you the automation that a lot of these influencers and a lot of these guys are doing, that if you comment or DM them, it will automatically reply back to them. In some cases, there's some AI bots that can have the whole entire conversation with you and lead them to kind of whatever you want. In this one, I'm just gonna show you just a quick, simple automation for specifically your social media. So we use Flex Connect, and this is our system. This is the system I have built out, powered by Go High Level. It has a bunch of automations, different AI bots built out for a bunch of different industries, a bunch of different stuff. So you guys can use this, or you guys can just use Go High Level. And if you guys, I'll put my affiliate link to Go High Level inside this chat, and also the website for Flex Connect and this YouTube link. And you guys, if you sign up with my affiliate link, you guys will get a couple snapshots for free. You guys can reach out to me. I'll create custom snapshots and some automation for you guys for using my affiliate link. Or like I said, you guys can, use Flex Connect and use it like that as well. And it comes with everything you guys want and custom support 24/7. You guys can have custom automations we'll build out for you as well. And yeah, so let me get into it in the integrations tab. All right, guys, so once you're in here, you can come in your integrations tab and you can connect all your Google accounts, social media accounts, everything inside of here, LinkedIn, TikTok, Shopify. You can literally connect and automate so many different things. If you're e-commerce, whatever you're doing, it's pretty cool. So then once everything's connected, you can come into your marketing tab, and this is where everything is connected. You can connect all your social medias, and then you can also see like your statistics and everything through here of all your social medias. Once I have all my social medias connected, I'll come to automations. You can schedule all your posting in the marketing tab as well. But let's say, for instance, I created an automation here. I'll just show you this one quick one. So what I did is I created an automation where if somebody comments a specific word on my Instagram post, for instance, on my post I just did, I wanted it profit split. So I don't want them to comment everything. If they just comment anything and you just leave it like that and they comment anything, it'll automatically literally use or reply back to everybody and shoot them the DM what you want them. So recently I just saw an Instagram post of this realtor, just went viral, and she did something like this. She's probably using ManyChat or something, and she had it on where if anybody commented on her post, it would literally send them the information, and everybody was in there like commenting, and it blew up, and people were like, you better not DM me. Her response was like, check your DM, just sent you a DM. So you guys want to make sure you have all the automations on and everything is correct, because you don't want something like that to happen. So for instance, for this specific post was profit split, and then whenever they comment that, you can create multiple different responses. Here's two that I have that will automatically send them a thing, and then it will automatically send them a message that I created along with get my free guide, or you can have a couple different like buttons for them to choose from if you want to like visit website, whatever the case may be. And there's other options for you to turn on the AI bot to have like full conversations with you people. But this is just like a quick guide. So for instance, I posted on my Instagram here, it was a video pretty much breaking down how partnering with window washing and power washing companies is a great business model in 2025 and how you can make really, really easy money. And I told everybody my call to action was comment profit split, and I'll send you a step-by-step guide. So pretty much people will comment profit split, it will reply back to everybody's comments. So for instance, this guy replied, I'll just show you how it works. This guy replied profit split and then automatically sends this to him that I made, and then they'll say get my free guide, which then goes into the form that I made inside of my system. And then as soon as they fill out this form, their information, their email, their phone number, all goes into my CRM system, into an opportunity bucket. Then I can continuously send them, marketing materials. I can warm them up for like, stuff that I'm dropping, send them free content and stuff like that. So I'm building up a nice little content and data list to, give people free assets in return for their information, for me to, continuously send them marketing materials and send them free content and hopefully warm them up to, promote my services or products and get them to buy eventually. So if you guys see those Instagram influencers, entrepreneurs doing stuff like that, that's exactly what they're doing. They may use it using a different system, maybe ManyChat, maybe Go High Level, whatever they're using. For instance, this is off of our system, Flex Chat or Flex Connect, and it's built off of Go High Level. And like I said, guys, if you guys want this done for you and you guys want to learn how to do this, you can shoot a comment below or book a call with me below. I'll show you how to do this and how you can use it. And I hope you guys can start utilizing this in your business, because people are printing money with this, especially when I see viral posts have, millions of views and hundreds of comments with stuff like this. And there's so many people commenting, it's going to be impossible for them to keep up with. So for you to be able to automate the whole entire thing and capture all these leads efficiently and effectively and and, you know, use it to market to later on. It's a game changer, and people are printing hundreds of thousands a month, sometimes millions of dollars a month. I'm seeing strategies like this, and it's a great strategy. So hope the video helped. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.